guys, what's up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is actually super special because आज मेरे parents की 25th wedding anniversary है. And originally the plan for them was to be in Romania by now. They would be in Romania, chilling and like having fun. But RIP to that plan because of the whole COVID situation. They had to cancel all their tickets and all their plans and everything, and now they're stuck in Ahmedabad. And of course they can't travel locally. The original plan was that if thoda COVID situation India mein better ho jata, they would go to Shimla, but that is also not possible. So they're stuck here, and of course no lunches, no dinners outside because we're very paranoid and I don't think it's allowed also. Anyway, they're stuck over here and that's quite a bummer, but that gives me all the more reasons to make it special for them, and I'm doing just that. So today I'm actually planning. So in the morning we had like the whole puja and like we gave them like puri chole and the shagun ka khana. And now I'm gonna be, so they're gone out right now. They've gone to this bird sanctuary nearby and they're gonna like spend like a couple of hours over there. So I have some time in my hand. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be making an apple walnut pie. Both of them love a good apple walnut pie. And I'm also gonna be making some wheat-based thin crust pizzas. So both of them like this. I asked them what they would want to eat and they said they want an apple pie and they want pizza. So that's exactly what I'm going to be making today. So I'm going to be vlogging this ताकि आप सब देख के enjoy कर पाओ and can be a part of our celebration. And along with that, हमारे लिए भी कुछ हो देखने के लिए कि oh, this is what we did, celebrating 25th anniversary in quarantine. So I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog, and yeah, without any further ado, let's now quickly get started. So I'm finally done with my shower. I took a really nice long warm shower. और अब मैंने फाइनली अपनी सारी रेसिपीज फाइनल कर ली हैं. टुक मी लिटिल वाइल ओनली बिकॉज पता नहीं थोड़ी ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रही थी, थोड़ी कुछ ज़्यादा ही टू गुड टू बी ट्रू लग रही थी. फाइनली आई हैव फाइनलाइज दिस रेसिपी फ्रॉम टेस्टी. Tasty is one of the only YouTube channels that I really trust after Shivesh's recipe. Shivesh does not have a video on his channel. He only has one on his blog and I really want like video reference. So I'm doing this recipe and I'm also following another recipe for the apple sauce and filling. I'll leave all the things down below in case you guys want to refer. And yeah, I think now I'll go and start cooking. So I just got done with making the dough of the pie crust and it's now in the fridge. अब वो rest कर रहा है. अब थोड़ी देर में मैं apple sauce filling, like apple filling, apple walnut filling बनाऊंगी और उसके बाद we'll just assemble the pie together and put it in the oven. आज शाम का plan has now come into a little action. हम एक Zoom call करने वाले हैं with the whole family. And yeah, they'll just like exchange a few garlands, cut the apple pie, and that's the celebration. I hope it turns out well. My parents are now on their way back home. तो जब वो आएंगे तब मैं उनको pampering करूँगी with some skincare and then we'll see what to do next. Okay, so it's pizza time and I'm gonna show you how I make pizza. Usually मैं खुद का बेस खुद बनाती हूँ पर उसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. I also have to make the apple pie and I have no one to help me because Mama is not supposed to be in the kitchen. I'm the only one who's supposed to be making it. So we got bahar ke crust, we got like high fiber crust and we got like wheat crust. So we have all these pizza bases and now I'm going to show you whatever we have for the pizza. I prepped some veggies. I have some capsicum. I'm also going to have some corn. We got this Amul ka diced cheese blend. It has mozzarella and cheddar both. That's quite nice. All these pizza crusts we have. I made the sauce last night. I can leave the recipe down below in case you guys want it. I don't use bahar ka. I make my own sauce. We have some canned pineapple because we love a Hawaiian pizza. We have some white asparagus and we have some jalapenos. And along with all this, we have some capsicum and some corn.
सिया गाना कहाँ गया? ताली तो बजा दो।
Hey guys, it's the next morning now. It is the 18th of July. Yesterday we just did I arranged like a little candlelight dinner for them, after which I arranged a family Zoom call party, and after that I was super exhausted, so I didn't end up making the apple pie. I'm gonna make it today. And then I just slept because I was so tired. I had only been cooking, and I cannot even imagine how all the mothers like cook all day at home and not get so tired. So I didn't really vlog, but today I'm going to be doing like a little pamper session because Plum just sent me a few products and I really want to try them out. Yeah.
Must. Full marks.
Even when I was in MasterChef, I did not get to judge such a good apple pie.
So my parents really liked the apple pie I made, and I'm so happy about that. अब मैं उन्हें थोड़ी सी pampering दूंगी because I feel like it's like their special day, so I kind of want to make it more special for them. Also because my father's been after my life that I pamper him the way I pamper myself. So I'm gonna go and kind of like give them a nice face mask and like deep cleanse and exfoliate and all of that. तो वो सब करूँगी. And I'll take you guys along. I have all these products. I have this cleansing balm to first cleanse. Then according to the skin type, I'm going to do either like this face wash or this. And then again, according to their skin type, I'm going to give them 2 masks. I'll have all the products down below in case you guys want it. And yeah, it's spa day. तो पैम्परिंग फाइनली हो गई. आई हैव पाउडर ओवर हियर. आई फील सो डम. सारी इंडियन मम्मास करती थी ना बचपन में. एनीवे, तो अब मैं बैठ के फिल्म करना स्टार्ट करूंगी. आई हैव टू फिल्म 2 videos because again I don't know if you guys have noticed, I'm actually posting at least 2 videos a week, और at least एक तो कर ही रही हूँ. So I'm actually starting a new series on my channel which is basically like videos related to hair care. I realized मैंने skin care इतना किया है, मैंने hair care किया ही नहीं है. And lately I've been taking care of my hair, so I thought why not. So I just finished scripting a video. I just feel like scripting gives me a lot of more clarity कि मेरे को कैसा video चाहिए, कैसा flow चाहिए. Just finished scripting. I'm gonna go quickly do my makeup. And once my makeup is done, I'm gonna start filming. आज का मेरा set होगा मेरा drawing room. It's a lot more cleaner. बहुत अच्छी vibe देता है. तो आज मैं वहाँ पे film करूँगी. But before that, let me just like do my makeup and my hair. Yaar, I literally did like my whole makeup and everything, and I forgot to see whether my camera is charged, and of course it was not charged. So वहाँ पे मेरा camera battery charge हो रहा है, and I just like I'm sitting here in this drawing room only, and I'm just gonna watch some Netflix जब तक मेरा camera sufficiently charged ना हो जाए. But तब तक let me show you guys my filming setup. So usually though I only shoot in my room, but that's kind of colorful, so sometimes I also want to change the vibe of my videos. That is when I shoot over here. This is my drawing room. So this is how it looks. I have a lot of places where I can film over here. I can film over there, I can film over there, I can also film on my sofa. So there are like a lot of places. मैं कभी-कभी यहाँ पे भी बैठ के बना लेती हूँ. It's kind of a nice space, like a nice corner. So I don't have any artificial lighting that I use. I just have these LED lights in all my rooms. हमारे सारे घर में यही लगी हुई हैं. और यहाँ पे फिर ट्राइपॉड को कैमरा पे लगा के this is exactly where I film.
6.5 hours later.
Hi guys, what's up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So I just got done with filming and I have put my hair up in a pony and I'm done with removing my makeup. वो मैं फिल्म करना भूल गई, बट आई वॉन्ट टू रिकमेंड समथिंग टू यू गाइज. सो आई जस्ट यूज्ड द Plum Illuminance Supple Cleansing Balm. This is like a cleansing balm for your makeup or just for your cleansing also. You can use it as it is, but I use it to remove my makeup today, and guys, oh my god, it did such a good job. It is a really good cleansing balm, and it's also super affordable. I know makeup cleansing balms थोड़े से expensive होते हैं, पर ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Don't worry, this is not sponsored. I got this in PR, but Plum has no idea I'm doing this. This is really nice, and it really, like, I don't know, it just really worked for me. Makeup balms can be expensive. This is only for $5.45, so I think it's kind of affordable. So yeah, this is really good, and I would totally recommend you guys to use this. And my skin's doing a lot better. I have a zit over here, but that's only because I'm on my period, and periods mein hote hain pimples. I'm okay with that. So I think this is also where I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope that you guys liked this vlog and enjoyed it. This was actually quite fun and very productive. I filmed and I baked apple pie. I did so much for my parents. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you also to surprise your parents like this with something. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, please. That really helps me and makes me happy. And also be sure to be subscribed on my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified. And yeah, I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also please comment.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.